Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you guys how to make Qhaub Poob with pepper or just rice vermicelli with pepper. In the video I uploaded earlier, we showed you guys how to make fresh vermicelli noodles. My mom showed you guys how it's done and I have that recipe in the video. I'll put it up above this video and link it up so you guys can actually go and see how we make it at our house. So first things first is just to have your vermicelli noodles cooked and ready and have that set aside for your first step of this recipe. And these fresh vermicelli noodles, you can actually use it for spring rolls and any other dishes you like to make with them. But this Qhaub Poob with hot sauce is a classic in our house. Every time we make it, our mouth starts watering. So let's start. Okay, so next up is to make the pepper sauce. In the pepper sauce, I'm going to add in sugar and hot water. And then we're going to mix that until the sugar dissolves. And then we're going to add in fish sauce. Use really good quality fish sauce. Lime juice. And you can adjust to your taste. You can add more lime for more sourness. And then I add about 5 Thai chilies or more or less depending on the spice level you guys like. And 1 garlic clove. I minced it up. I actually grated it in here. And then you can go ahead and mix that up and we'll set that aside. Okay, so next up is your vegetables. Here I have morning glory or pam bom and 1 whole cabbage, about a small to medium size, and I'm just going to cut this into small bite-sized pieces. Go ahead and mix it in together, and we'll go ahead and start assembling everything together. So in your strainer, go ahead and add in about 2 to 3 handfuls of vegetables, and we're going to cook it over hot boiling water until it just welts. Once it's welted, we're going to go ahead and rinse it in cold water and then strain it pretty good. And then in a plate or in a bowl, go ahead and add in your fresh noodles and place the vegetables on the side. So here we are. So we have the vegetables, vermicelli noodles, and the pepper sauce. And then we're going to scoop the pepper sauce on the noodles. And you guys can scoop 1 or 2, or depending more or less depending on the taste. Make sure you try your sauce first before you add it in, and it all varies to how you guys like it. Go ahead and mix it together until everything's incorporated, and then you can just devour. It's so good. My mouth is watering every time I watch this video. Is it good? Lushak.